Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install n8n on AlmaLinux 9. First, update all system packages. Next, install required packages. Continue to add the Docker repository. Install Docker and Docker Compose plugin. Then, enable, start Docker, and verify installation. Now, create a directory for n8n. Continue to create folders for persistent storage. Then, set ownership so Docker can write. Next, open a new Docker Compose file. Add the following lines. Then, save and exit the file. Next, start n8n in detached mode. Then, check running containers. After that, monitor logs. You can see that n8n is now running on port 5678. Now, install Nginx. Continue to enable and start Nginx. Next, create a reverse proxy configuration. Then, add the following lines. After that, test and reload Nginx. Now, open your web browser and navigate to the following URL. You should now see the n8n dashboard and be able to start creating workflows.